Pop rivets. I hate them. You hate them. I'll show you an easier way to get them out. Step drill bit. I see a lot of people use little drill bits. Not the way to do it. Step drill bit. This one's a pretty fat one. If you can get a skinnier one that progresses with smaller jumps instead of that, that's better. I broke that one. But this will still work just as well. Check this out. Right in the middle there. Boom, pop rivet. One and done. Look at that, so easy. All right, we're crushing this. It's easy. Work smarter, not harder. This shaking it, I'm just making sure that it's actually doing the job that I want it to out the go. This thing's awesome. Ready? Two at once, watch this. Almost.